Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be learning from 1 to 10 and we will be coloring all these numbers. Let us get started with the color name. This is dark pink color. This is dark green color. This is black color. This is orange color. This is purple color. This is light blue color. This is brown color. This is red color. This is yellow color. This is light green color. This is dark blue color. Let us get started. We will color all the numbers. This is 1. Number 1. This is 2. Number 2. This is 3. Number 3. This is 4. Number 4. This is 5. Number 5. This is 6. Number 6. This is 7. Number 7. This is 8. Number 8. This is 9. Number 9. This is 10. Number 10. We will again color from 1 to 10 with different colors. Let us get started. This is 1. 1. Number 1. This is 2. Number 2. This is 3. Number 3. This is 4. Number 4. This is 5. Number 5. This is 6. Number 6. This is 7. Number 7. This is 8. Number 8. This is 9. Number 9. This is 10. Number 10. Thank you kids for coloring this with me. I hope you liked coloring these numbers. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.